Is YouTube refusing to open in Google Chrome while every other website works just fine? In this video, I'll show you several quick and effective fixes to get YouTube loading again in just a few minutes. Let's go into the video to solve the issue. First, click on the three dot on the top of the right side. Then select extension and click on manage extensions. Here you can see all of your extensions and make sure all extensions toggle should be off. You should toggle off all extensions because sometimes some extensions make create to open YouTube. After doing this, try to open YouTube. If YouTube not open, then we have to go again, click on the three dots and then select settings. Then from the left panel you have to click on about Chrome to check Chrome update. As you can see, my Chrome is up to date. If your Chrome is not up to date, it will automatically up to date, and for this you have to give some time. When Chrome update going to finish, then you again try to open YouTube. If YouTube not open, then again you have to go to settings. From the left panel you have to click on privacy and security. Then you have to click on delete browsing data. Make sure time will select all the time like this, and then you have to click on delete data. It will make browsing history free, cache and cookies free. After doing this, you have to again try to open YouTube. If YouTube not open yet, then you have to again go to settings. Then you have to click on reset settings from the left panel, and then you have to click on restore settings of their original defaults. Click on this option and then click on reset settings to make Chrome reset. After resetting Chrome, then again try to open YouTube, and hopefully this time YouTube will be open. That's it, my friend. If one of these methods fixed the problem, don't forget to like and share this video with your other friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Take a Dialogue. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.